Everyone, today we are cooking up a delicious mutton masala, that is mutton ghee roast. Let's keep it super easy. Start with 500 grams of boneless mutton. Give it a good wash about 2 to 3 times. Now toss those meat pieces into a hot pan. Sprinkle in half tablespoon turmeric, half tablespoon salt and half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And don't forget the homemade ghee, 2 tablespoons of that magic. Mix it up and let it sit for 10 minutes. After saute it for 4 minutes on medium flame for a nice aroma. Pour in 300 ml water into the pressure cooker. Transfer the mutton and cook for 4 to 8 whistles. It depends on how tender you want it. Once it's done, drain any extra water. Don't throw it. We need that water. And set the mutton aside. Now let's make the masala. Take 1 tablespoon coriander seed, half tablespoon cumin seed, 1 tablespoon black pepper and 4 dry chillies. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Then set them aside to cool. Crush half inch cinnamon, 3 cardamom, 3 cloves and blend them with the cooled spices like 4 garlic cloves and 1 inch chopped ginger. In a hot pan, heat 3 tablespoons ghee. Fry for 20 cashew nuts until they become golden. Then set them aside. In the same pan, with the remaining ghee, add the cooked mutton. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Add 2 stems of curry leaves and 2 to 3 split green chillies. Fry for another 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now lower the flame. Add the ground masala base and fry for a minute. Turn it up to high flame and then fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Then pour in the leftover mutton broth. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on high and add salt if needed. Just check the salt taste and add if you want more. Mix well and add 1 more spoon of ghee and let it cook. Toss in 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chilli powder for color. Mix them well and let the water evaporate. Add the fried cashews. If you want more green split chillies, cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon black pepper and then add the ground spices of cinnamon and cardamom. Stir for 3 minutes on low flame. Throw in some coriander leaves, and if you find the water evaporated, just turn off the flame and serve it and enjoy the ghee mutton roast. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like this recipe. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.